The short video you are about to watch is an example of what we will be creating today.
What is this? Oh my God. Who is Jessica? Who is Jessica?
Are you serious right now? Why are you going through my phone? Don't yell at me. I saw the messages. That doesn't give you the right.
You think this is free? Look!
What is that?
Rent, groceries, utilities, all of it!
I didn't know.
A single AI animated video just pulled 1.5 million views in under a few weeks. The channel that posted it, brand new. The creator behind it, completely faceless. And the tool that made the whole thing possible is one most people haven't even heard of yet. In the next few minutes, you're getting the exact step-by-step workflow to create these videos yourself. From the script to the final export. Every tool, every setting, every shortcut. Let's get into it. Step 1. Find a winning video idea. Your first job is simple. Study what's already working. Go to TikTok or YouTube and search for AI animation story accounts. You'll find channels pulling millions of views with short, dramatic, dialogue-heavy clips. Watch 5 or 6 of them. Pay attention to the type of story they tell. It's almost always a conflict. Two people arguing, a confrontation, a twist ending. There's a pattern here, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. These aren't random skits. They follow a formula. Tension, escalation, resolution. Your goal is to absorb that rhythm and come up with your own angle on it. Don't overthink this. You're not writing a screenplay. You're writing a 1-minute scene that grabs someone mid-scroll. Once you've got a concept locked in, you're ready for step 2. And this is where ChatGPT earns its keep. Step 2. Script it with ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and tell it to act as a professional storyteller and scriptwriter. Then, describe the scene you want. For this example, I asked for an action-filled 1-minute script about a man who was caught cheating by his wife. Always specify where the scene is happening. So I told ChatGPT to specify that the scene takes place inside a house. ChatGPT delivers a solid first draft fast, but don't just take it and run. Read through the output carefully. Here's what most people miss. The script needs to be broken down line by line, with timestamps, location details, and what each character is doing and saying. That's non-negotiable if you want clean visuals later. So after your dialogue is tight, ask ChatGPT to break the script down line by line. For each line, have it generate a detailed image prompt and a detailed video prompt. The image prompts go to your image generator. The video prompts go to your animation tool. You'll use both in the next steps. While you're still in ChatGPT, do one more thing. Ask it to create a 3D animation-style character prompt for each person in your scene. It'll give you a full visual description plus a negative prompt, meaning details you don't want showing up in the generated image. Save all of this. You're going to need it, done with the script. Now let's build the visuals, and this is where it gets really interesting. Step 3. Generate your images. You've got 2 paths here. One is completely free. The other gives you a slightly more polished look. I'll show you both. Option 1. Whisk. It's owned by Google, totally free, and runs on the Imagen model. Paste the character prompt ChatGPT gave you into Whisk. For character development, I like using 9:16 aspect ratio. Hit generate, and within seconds, you've got your base character image. Do this for both characters. Once you have both base images, upload them into Whisk's subject slots on the left side. You'll see fields for subject, scene, and style. Since you're working with 2 characters, upload both under the subject field. Then, paste in the scene-by-scene prompt from your ChatGPT breakdown. One critical setting. Make sure Nano Banana reference is switched on. That's what keeps your characters looking consistent from scene to scene. Without it, your guy might have different hair in every frame. Switch the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube videos, or keep it at 9:16 if you're creating TikTok or Shorts content. Hit submit and let it work. If the first generation changes something, like hair color, just regenerate. It usually locks in after a couple of tries. Now here's option 2, which is what I actually used for the final video. Instead of Whisk, I went with Flow. Why? Because Flow produces some of the best 3D pixel-style animation you'll find right now. The quality difference is noticeable. Richer textures, more expressive faces, better lighting. The process is identical. Paste the same ChatGPT prompt into Flow and select. It gives you multiple options per generation, so pick the one that fits your vision best. For scene images, use Flow's drag and drop feature. Upload both character images, generate your environment separately. I created a specific living room image first, then used that living room as an additional reference input alongside the two characters for every single scene. That's why every frame in my final video has the same lighting, same wall color. Total visual consistency. Most creators skip this step and their videos look disjointed. Don't be most creators. Download every image to your computer. You're about to bring them to life. Step 4. Animate with Grok AI. This is the step that turns still images into watchable content. Now, normally Kling 2.6 would be the go-to AI video generator for animation work, but it can't switch accents. And for this style of content, the accent is everything. Right now, the best tool for accented AI voiceover plus animation is Grok AI. It's free to use, though there are some generation limits. Before you do anything in Grok, change one setting immediately. Go to your account settings and turn off Enable Automatic Video Generation. If you skip this, Grok starts generating the second you upload an image, and you'll burn through your free credits before you've even started. Here's the workflow. Click on Imagine, then attach your first scene image at the bottom. In the prompt field, describe what's happening in the scene, and this is crucial. Specify the accent. You can use any accent here. Spanish, British, Australian, whatever fits your content. Just state it clearly in the prompt. One more thing, always add no background music at all to your prompt. Grok has an annoying habit of layering in random music even when you didn't ask for it. Grok generates fast, noticeably faster than most competitors. It gives you 2 video options per generation. Watch both, pick the better one. If neither works, hit redo and it'll generate fresh versions. Repeat this for every scene in your script using the video prompts ChatGPT gave you. Download each clip. You're one step away from a finished video. Step 5. Stitch it together in CapCut. Final step. Open CapCut and import all your scene clips. Drag them into the timeline in order. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, all the way through. Here's where a small detail makes a big difference. Add transitions between every clip. These AI-generated scenes don't blend seamlessly on their own. Click the Transitions tab, browse the options, and pick ones that match the energy of each scene. A slow fade for a tense moment, a quick cut for a confrontation. This is what makes your video feel intentional instead of stitched together. Last touch, background music. I pulled a suspense track from Epidemic Sound and layered it underneath the dialogue at low volume. You can also use AI-generated music if you prefer. The only rule that matters here is this: use music that is either licensed or AI-generated by you. Channels are getting copyright strikes and even demonetized for using unlicensed tracks. It's not worth the risk. Once everything looks and sounds right, hit export. Choose your quality settings, pick your save location, and you're done. Let's zoom out for a second. You just learned the full workflow for creating AI animation story videos that are pulling millions of views right now. Find a winning concept, script it with ChatGPT, generate your images in Whisk or OpenArt, animate with Grok AI, and edit in CapCut. But here's the thing most people need to hear. The visuals can be simple. What makes people stay is the voice and the story delivery. So if you want your channel to actually grow, focus on consistency. Same character style, same tone, same voice, same pacing. That's the compound effect that turns random uploads into a real channel. This space is wide open right now, but it won't be forever. If you want to stay ahead of trends like this and keep finding opportunities before the crowd catches on, subscribe to Publish to Profit. If this video gave you value, hit the like button and drop animation in the comments so I know to keep making tutorials like this. Check out the videos on your screen for more strategies you can start using today. I'll see you in the next one.